Alright, so let's look at this problem here. We have given, and this is composition of functions. So given f of x equals x plus 3, and g of x equals negative x squared minus 4x, find f of g of negative 3 and g of f of negative 3. I'm going to color code in this example. And again, I want to go slowly because I know that for some people this isn't very easy. I'm going to first write down f of x. Okay, I have f of x equals x plus 3. This is a function. What this is saying is that I'm basically going to put, you're basically, the main idea here is that you go inside out, okay? So I have f of x equals x plus 3, g of x, and let me write this a different color. G of x equals negative x squared minus 4x, right? So I want to know what is f of g of negative 3. So let me write it down in the way that, so let me write it down in the way that it makes more sense. So what I'm going to do, you're going to want to go inside out. You always go in the very inside of the parentheses. You're looking at g of negative 3. Because if I do f of whatever, it's going to be harder, because then I'm going to be like, well, what's g of negative 3, right? You can't do that. You have to go in the very inside to do this. So g of negative 3, you're first going to do that one. We have g of negative 3. And you have to be careful. Here's your function, negative x squared minus 4x. This is going to be equal to negative. And what I like to do here is I like to put parentheses, negative something squared minus 4 times something. In that something, I'm going to put a negative 3. Right? Now, here's the thing. You're going to go ahead. First, what you're going to do, and this is order of operations, you're going to square the negative 3 first. So you're going to have negative, and then it's going to be negative 3 squared, that's going to be 9. And then you're going to have minus 4 times negative 3. If you kind of do minus and you do 4 times negative 3, that's going to really be, and you want to put it in parentheses, it's going to be negative 12, right? So you have negative 9 plus 12. This is 3. So g of negative 3 is 3. Right? Because negative 9 plus 12 is 3, right? Now, you want to do f of g of negative 3. So again, you have, it's f of, and it's going to be g of negative 3. So like this, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put, you're going to put 3 in for g of negative 3, because again, we said that g of negative 3 is equal to 3. So you're going to put this, you're going to put this in here. So you're going to say f of, and g of negative 3 is 3, so you're going to say f of 3. And what is f of 3? We know that f of x is equal to x plus 3. So f of 3 is going to be the quantity 3 plus 3. So f of 3 is 6, right? However, you want to write it in the right way, so that means that f of g of 3, or I'm sorry, f of g of negative 3, because we said f of g of negative 3, not... We said that g of negative 3 is 3, and we said that f of 3 is 6. So f of g of negative 3 is going to be 6. So that's how you do f of g of x. Now, it can be written in different forms, but I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to do g of f of x in the next video, because I don't want to make it too long. So if that helps, please let me know. Please like, comment, and or subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.